shit that make you, your shit feel like virgin lungs. You gotta cough it up, nigga. Hot box the mixtape. Get it right. This is the business.
You're in the mix with Sketch, the specialist.
But I think we need to tell them again, my nigga, how we do this here at New West. Y'all know what it is. Yeah. Damn, baby, again. Yeah. Born ready, sick steady, alphabetically deadly. Spit a medley to your broad. If you wanna find a nigga, man, just follow the fall. Blunts as big as a log, stay gone in the mist. Came to hot box and speaker and give you a whip. Damn, don't it smell great? A 20 sack full of elevation for your mind state. Cars haunted to tell my war stories in my recent pastime. Stuck in bush and knives, trials and tribulations, I can print them on film. My mind's a dark room full of struggle and rhythm. Spit the truth honestly, whether you do it, don't feel him. Got to give him what you owe, simple respect for what he know. A genius in my time, I'm parallel with rhymes. Backpack my wordplay, but I got a master's in crime. I don't need a dope track, it'll rap to spark it, man. The writing's on the road, right along with your brain.
Yeah, I don't act tough, I don't talk tough, I don't have to. Growing up was tough enough, fuck trying to blast you. Nigga, I splash you, sulfuric acid, bastard, leave you blasted. Bubbling like an omelet, faggot, closed casket. That's lyrically, physically, your symmetry, viciously, instantly, you get a couple ass kicks from me. Talk shit and see, I lay you down like sit and sleep. Fuck counting black sheep, you can get hit with this or you can get hit with that. Rock your face like baking soda, watch your skull crack. Matter of fact, let me deal with you children. Phony feelings, catch your feelings, cause I'm destined for millions. Nosy in my dealings, what I'm worth, what I'm willing, where I'm chilling. Whose bitch mouth my dick, you like two fillings. Cream to the ceiling, start kneeling to the one and only. Fulfilling prophecy with my coming, I guess I'm holy. But still a sinner at heart, I tear you apart. No contender, you tend to get ate for dinner. Pretend to remember I'm in a bigger weight class, nigga. Muhammad Ali on PCP, who fucking with me? Yeah, I ain't got time for this shit, niggas. Put your PJs on, you little bitch niggas, it's bedtime. I'ma tuck you fuckers in. This is a paid public announcement by B. Jimmer. Bitch, get your mind right. On behalf of Todd J and Bishop Lamont, I'm just telling you the truth. This is honesty, niggas. I don't gotta tote guns, niggas. My guns don't go off for metal detectors, nigga. I put these hands on you, and I'll heal you, and I'll bless you, and I'll pray for you, nigga. Oh yeah, don't forget, buy my motherfucking album, nigga. Yeah. Aftermath, nigga. Diocese, nigga. West Coast, nigga. Lost Souls, nigga. War Dogs, nigga. Now go home. Now go home. Now go home. Now go home.